Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about why you need Gmail filters and how to create them. If you want specific emails to go directly to the label, one of your labels, or to the spam folder, Gmail filters will do the trick. To create the Gmail filter, just open Gmail on your computer. And there is an icon for filter at the search bar at the top. We tap on that. Here you can filter by sender, recipient, subject line, includes words in the email, doesn't include words in the email, size, date, from where to search, for example, from sent emails, and does it include attachments on or no. So now let's create filter, confirm. Here you can choose what to do with these specific messages. For example, there is skip inbox, archive them, mark as read, start them, delete them, forward them. Let's choose apply the label. And here let's pick this label. Those labels you can create yourself. Click the link at the top to see how. And just click create filter. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.